ABCD is a quadrilateral formed by the vertices A, B, C and D are given. P, Q, R, S are the midpoints respectively of A, B, B, C, C, D and D, A. Show that the diagonals of quadrilateral, here he would have mentioned P, Q, R, S, bisect each other. So P, Q, R, S. So I'll take quadrilateral here. A, some random quadrilateral you can take. Okay, I'll draw like this. Okay, now here A is -1, -1 and B is -1, 6 and C is 3, 6, D 3, -1. Now we need to find P is the midpoint of AB, Q is the midpoint of BC, R and S. So I'll find all this. So midpoint formula is here, see, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So we need to find, so what I'll do it here itself, like I'll find here in the diagram itself. So AB midpoint x1 plus x2 by 2, that is -1 -1 by 2 -1 plus 6 by 2. So you'll get here -2 by 2 and 5 by 2. So -1, 5 by 2 is P. Fine. In the same way, I'll find Q here. Q is x1 3 -1 by 2, 6 plus 6 by 2, that is 2 by 2, 12 by 2. So Q is 1, 6. Fine. Now I'll find R. So here R is 3 plus 3 by 2 -1 plus 6 by 2, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, 6 by 2, 5 by 2. So R is 3, 5 by 2. This is R. Now I need to find S, midpoint of AD. See, -1 plus 3 by 2 -1 by 2. So 2 by 2 -2 by 2. So 1, -1, this is S. So all the values we got P, Q, R, S. Now see, we need to prove that diagonals bisect each other. So see, definitely if you'll join the midpoints of any quadrilateral, you will get a parallelogram. So definitely the diagonal should bisect each other. So midpoint of PR, if I'll prove if it is equal to midpoint of QS, midpoint of P R, R value is 3, 5 by 2. It should be equal to midpoint of Q 1, 6, S 1, -1. I need to prove these two midpoints equal. If they are equal, then you can say the diagonals bisect each other. Now here see, midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2. So -1 plus 3 by 2, 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 by 2. Here 1 plus 1 by 2, 6 minus 1 by 2. Here now minus 1 plus 3 is 2 by 2. 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 is 10 by 2. 10 by 2 is nothing but 5. And again here it is by 2 equals 2 by 2. 6 minus 1 is 5 by 2. 1 comma 5 by 2 equals 1 comma 5 by 2. So midpoint of PR, midpoint of PR equals midpoint of QS. Therefore, diagonals of PQRS bisect each other. Bisect each other.